Well, this is the current situation, guys. So while I sit here and wait for my breakfast at Taco Bell, there is an app called Fetch. I'm gonna scan this receipt and I'm gonna earn points. And these points, you could ring them up, build them up, and get Amazon gift cards, eBay gift cards, any place that Walmart that you usually like spend money at and consume money at. So I'm gonna go into the app, scan my receipt, and see what I get. Stay tuned, guys. Guys, so this is the app right here. This is the Fetch app. And then we're gonna go to the camera and hit snap. What's going on here? Like what? Alright, whatever. Let's go. Let's see. Let's get this money. Let's get these coins. Sorry, guys, for the interruption, guys. Them, what is it? Them spam callers. They're always harassing people. So pretty much, you can stack your coins, as you can see. Like, if I used 5,000, I can cash it out for something. There's 10,000K, 15K, 60K. So depending on how much you shop, guys, you can cash out on already things that you guys already normally spending money on. The only catch is that you gotta scan your receipts. Some receipts is worth more than others. So it's like honestly, it's like a free scratch ticket lottery, You're just not spending money on scratch tickets. Now you're just taking things that you consumed, and now you're getting a little kickback. That's what we all need in life, you know what I mean? This is why YNRYD grows, trying to show you different alternatives, you know what I mean? There's different multiple streams of income that you guys can choose to do. And my rewards, obviously, I haven't cashed out for anything yet. I haven't found anything interesting. But as soon as I do, I will, and I'll probably post a video on that too. So, guys, stay tuned. This is YNRYD grows, and this is a way how to get things back.